way you paint your nails.
Superior posture. See, this is why people have neck. No, go back up. Sit how you
And
were.
I'm sit like that all day.
Well, do again what you're doing. Like, this is why people are in pain. Like, look at her neck and how rounded she is.
No! No!
Through there. Pulls and strains on all these muscles. That's why you have so much pain back there. So when I work with someone like this, a big thing is to open up the chest and kind of start to restore that curve, get a little bit more extension through the thoracic spine. Okay, any complaints today though?
No.
Nothing? Then why do you want to be adjusted?
I don't know. Feels good sometimes.
For wellness care. See, this is a prime example of a perfect patient. I love people that come to me that have like no pain, they just want to stay healthy. That's the best kind of patient. What the? Okay, go please down. How does your low back feel?
Feels alright.
Right there. Look up to the ceiling. Wow, that's kind of little for you.
That was.
Wait, hold on, I gotta do this. And take a breath in out. Good. Your ankles look a lot better.
Not swollen.
They were so swollen.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
That was crazy.
It's literally from wearing those heels.
Good. Wow, your neck feels so much better too.
Really?
From that after your
Sure.
yeah. Someone commented on one of the videos like, my chiropractor makes me do a breath in and out or something when they adjust my neck. And honestly, all they're doing is try to get you to relax. But for me, that just takes, like, it just takes too long. So I can pretty much feel when they start to relax. Like, sometimes I'll trick them, like tell them to drop your left shoulder. And as soon as they drop, their mind kind of wanders. So then that's when you do the impulse. But most of the time you can just feel when they let go. Okay, my hunchback queen.
I'm not hunchback.
No, you're not.
Thanks so much.
Of course. Also, this is the new, not new, but just added a few things to the home office setup. We finally got the wall art in, all the ChiroFit stuff. Movement is the backbone of health, the move more, and the don't quit, do it. One. Then we got the stand-up desk, which I absolutely love. I work at this pretty much every morning. Another poster. Rehab stuffs, bands of all kinds, and then all my therapy tools. Going to work out now?
Yep.
So unforgettable, girl, so don't go changing those times.
Okay, buddy. Take your pick.
Ooh. That's weird.
Take a bite.
Yum, yum, yum.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Alright, so these Pop-Tarts, protein Pop-Tarts, will be in my ebook cookbook. Still finishing it up. Yeah, these are amazing. I think I'll throw the macros up. I can't really remember, but they're low carb, high protein. Pretty much like all of my recipes are.
Every time I'm around you, I see a